Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall ProofHub files and attachments, complete guide step by step clearly. To uninstall ProofHub files and attachments, start by logging into your ProofHub account. Navigate to the project that contains the files and attachments you want to remove. Click on the Files section located in the Project menu. Browse through the list to find the specific file or attachment you wish to uninstall. Hover over the chosen file to reveal additional options. Click on the three dots icon or the More option next to the file. Select Delete from the drop-down menu. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you are sure about the deletion. Confirm your choice by clicking Yes or Delete. The file or attachment will be removed from the project. If you need to uninstall multiple files, repeat the process for each one. Check to ensure that all desired files have been successfully removed. If you wish to uninstall attachments from discussions, go to the relevant discussion thread. Locate the attachment within the discussion you want to remove. Click on the attachment to open it. Look for the option to remove or delete the attachment. Click on the Delete option and confirm your choice. The attachment will be removed from the discussion thread. Review your project's files and attachments to confirm that all unwanted items have been deleted. Once completed, consider updating your team on the changes made. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.